So we are going to discuss the linear wire antenna. So we'll start with the introduction. So linear wire antenna may be considered as the large number of conductors connected in series. As in the previous lecture we discussed, matlab, just now we discussed that what is the dipole, what is the lambda, significance of lambda. So here electrically short dipole with uniform current along its length, short compared to lambda by 2. The length is less than lambda by 10. When the length of the short dipole is vanishingly small, it's called the infinitely small dipole antenna. So length is comparatively, that is lambda by 50, less than. So we are going to discuss about this lambda by 50 and how this antenna radiate. Now this short dipole, maybe this lambda by 2 or this, and infinitely small dipole is this is lambda by 50. Okay, so this lambda by 50 dipole, short dipole, that we'll discuss first, and then we will go for the further for the uh, uh, lambda by 2 and all the other analysis. So here this is mathematical explanation, so please be very careful. So dl is the infinitely small length and I is the current. So IDL is the current element. So this is called the current element. Now we will discuss the infinitely small dipole antenna. So here, this is what the length of the antenna, this current through the antenna, this is what thickness of the antenna. So this length is important for us. Okay. So here the length L is very short as compared to the lambda. So L is very, very small as compared to the lambda. Okay. And a diameter, this is D, that is the thickness of the wire. That is diameter is comparatively very, 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 very small as compared to the lambda. Okay. So this is the consideration. Now this is dipole, as here it is mentioned, that is plus Q charge and minus Q charge. So it is a dipole. Monopole is also there. Electrical monopole is possible, but magnetic monopole is not possible. What it means that if you will take a magnet, if you will break into the two parts, so again it will have the north pole and south pole. Again it will break into two parts, north pole, south pole. If you will make a small pieces, then magnet is become into the north pole and south pole. So that's why Maxwell's equation, we have explained that, that is del dot B equals to 0. So that what it means, the magnetic monopole doesn't exist. But it is true for, it is not true for the electric. That is plus Q and minus Q. These are the two charges. Okay, plus Q and minus Q, that is positive charge and negative charge. So dipole is also possible, and monopole, that is only plus or only minus Q, is also possible. So magnetic, but the basic, for the basic understanding, we have to go from the magnetic dipole antenna. So this is what the dipole antenna we are considering. Now, radiation field of the infinitely small dipole antenna. So for any antenna, we are going to understand the radiation field. Now, in the radiation field, there are some consideration. What field is there? So here, the field is, it is assumed that the dipole is of the length L. So it is given here, and along the z-axis, these considerations are required. So you require the basic understanding of coordinate system. If you don't know, you can refer my previous video so that you can have the better understanding. So, and the center, at the center, the origin, at the origin, the antenna is placed at the center. Now, what we are saying, we can take a point P. Here we are finding out the what will be the radiation at this particular point in a vacuum surrounding. Okay. So here current is I, current is flowing through this. So we will go for the simple current equation and we are going to elaborate here. So I will not explain the entire derivation. So whatever the important part, that I will explain. So I equals to I0 into e to the power j omega t. This is the current equation. And this way it can be elaborated. Okay. So this is what propagation constant, that is beta 2 pi by lambda. And again, it can be lambda is, just now we have seen, that is C by F. So 1 by lambda is f by c, we can see, and 2 pi f, it is nothing but the angular frequency that is given by, called by omega. So this way it can be explained. Now the radiation time, that is r by c, result in phase radiation. So this way the electric and magnetic field can be expressed in terms of vector and scalar potential. Now what we are going for the electric field, we are finding in terms of the scalar potential, magnetic field, vector potential. So accordingly we are taking a reference from that. So what is the assumption here? This is what the antenna, here is the point P. This is what the origin from here. This is what the distance R. Now you can take a very infinitely small dipole. The small length of this entire dipole, that is the dz we have taken. Now from here it is the s length, and from this end, as this is not a parallel, so this is s1, and from the lower it is s2. Okay, so our important is s1, s2. But for the consideration, what we will see, the point of observation is so far as compared to the length of this antenna. Okay, whatever the length is there. So what we can consider, we can assume that the length here, it is a straight, this is also straight, this is also straight. But we have tilted this angle. So whatever this L by 2 cos theta, suppose this is angle theta. So you can consider this length as the opposite side. The cos theta is adjacent side by the hypotenuse. So this length, that will be by the trigonometric formula, that is L by 2. The total length is L, and this length will be the L by 2 cos theta, and this length is also L by 2 cos theta. So this L by 2 cos theta on this S2 we have to add, L by 2 cos theta in S1 we have to subtract for the reference. So accordingly we can have this diagram represent in this way. So the this vector potential is denoted by this, that is Az equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi, and we are integrating over a line. So we just remember that line integral, surface integral, and volume integral. Line integral is the single integration. We are considering this as the line. So this will be the single integration. If you want to integrate over the surface, so that will be the double integration. You can find it out the area by double integration also. If you are talking in terms of the volume, then we have to go for the triple integration. Okay, so this is minus L by 2 to the L by 2, and current we are taking current element I by S over this length S dz. So this is the formula for the this vector potential. You will get this from the electromagnetic basics that we have taken. Now this is what the assumption, that is R is very large than the L, whatever the length, and lambda is also large than the L. Okay, because we are talking in terms of the infinitely small dipole antenna, and whatever your S you can put as the R. Okay, they are to be considered the same. Okay, with this assumption, we will start mu 0 upon 4 pi minus L by 2 to L by 2 I upon S dz. So we have taken a single. Okay, now we just I instead of I we can put the equation for the I. So this is the equation for the I we have put. Upon, instead of S we can put R, and dz S equals to R we have put here, and then further modifying this if you will further modify this, so this equation become this way. So we have to integrate only z, dz is there, so we have to integrate over the dz length 0 to L by 2. Just remember here, this length is minus L by 2 to L by 2. We have changed the integration 0 to L by 2 to make it simpler. Okay, so when changing this, we do these changes in the equation. So 0 to L by 2, this is dz, integration of dz is z, so 0 to L by 2. So 0 to the z, you just put the limit, that is L by 2 minus 0, so it is L by 2. So multiply it by the L by 2. So this Az, it becomes mu 0, the L is there, and I0 is there, and this 2 will get cancelled, and e to the power j omega t minus r by c upon 4 pi r. So this is the equation become. So the related scalar potential is v that the scalar potential. Now vector potential we have find it out. Now we'll go for the scalar potential. So scalar potential, that is v, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is rho v, volume integral rho v upon s into dv. Okay, so this is volume integral. So rho is the retarded charge density given by. Okay, so this is rho v, that is given by. Dt is the infinitely small volume element. So this is what the volume integral. Now generally scalar potential we talk in terms of for the electric field, and vector potential we talk for the magnetic field, and there that's why we have taken a current. Okay, and here we have taken the voltage, that is the charge, that is the rho v. Okay, now we will go further. This v equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by s1, q by s2. So these are the two charge, positive charge and negative charge. So positive charge by s1 and negative charge by s2. As we have taken the upper charge as positive, lower charge as negative. So that's why here one q is negative, one q is positive. S1 is the upper length and this is lower. So this we have put. So we got this. Again we do the integration over what? Over the current I dot dt. So I0, and we can have this integration formula dt. So I equals to ZW. So this is what Q. This is the value of Q. So you put value of Q in the equation 1. So after putting this value of Q in this equation, this is also Q, this is also Q, and divided by S. So we have put up this value. Now do the simplification. Now assumption is the same. What is the assumption? That is R is very greater than L, and this is R is very greater than the length of the antenna. So S equals to R plus L by 2 cos theta. As I told that in the S1 we will add, in the S1 we will subtract because it is additional, because we want this, and here we will add. In the S2 we will add this factor. So this factor is add S1 S2 and it is put up here. So after putting, then we will go further. So this is what V it becomes, and then you can make it simplify. This is simple mathematical simplification. It looks very big and very complicated, but it is not. Then this is what V you will get. Now where R equals to, R is very large than L. So L by 2 cos theta square is negligible against R square. Okay. So and this factor equals to cos of this and plus sine of this. So this can be represented. So by simplifying, you will get this vector potential, and by elaborating, this is what vector potential you have got. Now this is again simplification of the vector potential. So finally we got the scalar vector potential and vector potential. This is scalar potential and this is vector potential. So this we got, and by taking this into the equation, that is equation what we have initially for E and H, because we have to find it out the electric field and magnetic field. So pointing vector we are using here. Pointing vector is used here. So this is del V. So ER, E theta and E phi. So we are using what? Electric field intensity. To find it out the electric field intensity, we are using that. So this is the spherical coordinate system. Okay, this system ER, E theta, E phi, this is what the spherical coordinate system. So we are using, so this is what the simplification. Okay, so this is ER, E theta, and ER, E theta can be simplified. Now from the vector potential, H can be find it out. So here vector potential H can be find it out. That is HR and H theta equals to 0. Here that is H phi, HE, E theta is non-zero, and h theta is equals to 0. Remaining two are the non-zero. So this is what your final result. This is E theta and H phi. So this E theta and H phi, the electric field along the theta and magnetic field along the phi. So they are perpendicular to each other. So as we say, the radiation is there, electric field and magnetic, if electric field is this, magnetic field is this, they propagate this way. So because E theta and phi, okay, theta is the vertical angle, phi is the horizontal angle. So this way and radiation propagation is perpendicular. So this way the way they go. Okay, so this is what the radiation pattern. So as we discuss in the practical, so this radiation pattern is there, and the case 2 that we'll discuss next time. So this is all about the basic infinitely small dipole antenna. Is there any query?